SurveyRewardz review. Is SurveyRewardz leisure or it's just a waste of time? In this video review, I'm going to give you an inside look and quick tool to show you how to use the site and if it's worth your time before you join or not. I have tested so many SurveyRewardz myself, so I will just log in and show you around. You can see exactly what it has to offer. I am now logged into SurveyRewardz. I have actually been paid by them several times myself. It's definitely a legit service site. It's very easy to use. As you can see here, once you logged in, you can see for yourself, very easy and simple to navigate. You can see what available survey they are here on the top. You can just press a click or you just have a presented complete survey. That's so easy, and new screen will come up, a kind of like a scanner. It offers me one. It scans for available survey here. You can see the reward. It takes like 5 minutes and it will scan for a new one. If I don't qualify for this, you have to try this one. It actually has a lot of surveys, not just this one, and it will be offered a new one if you don't qualify for that. So it means that there is quite a lot of surveys available here, because it means you sometimes have to be a little bit patient to find the surveys you qualify for. And also it has this scanner that keeps scanning for new surveys, but it has a very good amount. And then next you can menu. That's the way you weren't here. That is the server part of it. And if you need support, you just go here. Here is all your account setting. You click here in the world pro payment message section. If you want to withdraw, you can see the available rewards that on. You can get paid in cash. It has some pretty good payout methods. You can get paid through PayPal, which is in my a great way to get your money easily PayPal. Also, you can see you can get paid already when you have earned $1. There is all a minimum of only $1, which is a very low payout threshold for a service side, so definitely worth it. You can get paid in cash. There is a 10 cents fee, and in US dollars you can get paid in check. And one more option they have here is to refer other people to join. If they join through your link, you can earn dollars bonus. That means that you can invite bonus other people to join the website. So that's a little extra thing. If you know a lot of people that can join, now there is a new survey offer for you when you come back to the front page here. It's definitely a legit site where you can actually earn some money on surveys. That's how easy and simple it is to use. So SurveyRewardz is consolation very easy to use, and because it has scanners, it can take a little bit of patience to find the surveys you qualify for. And in many countries it has the most opportunities in English speaking countries, but you can find quite often the available surveys, and also you can actually join it from more or less all the world. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.